Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mary. Mary was very good at drawing and loved creating new things. However, she had no interest in other subjects. One night, while Mary was sleeping in her room, she saw a fairy in her dream. The fairy gave Mary a paintbrush and said that it was not an ordinary brush, but a magical one. The next morning, when Mary woke up, she saw very happy to find the brush beside her. She told the paintbrush to draw an apple for her. But what was this? Nothing appeared. Then Mary said, "A red apple. Draw a red apple for me." As soon as she said this, a red apple was drawn, and then a real apple appeared in front of her. A red apple. Do you know, kids? Apple is a noun, and red is telling the color of noun. So word red is an adjective. Let's see, what else did Mary draw? A small cat. Again, cat is a noun, and word small is telling the size of cat. So the word small is an adjective. Kids, now Mary draws so many things with the help of this magical brush. And one more thing, that she learned the meaning of adjective. A word that tells more about a noun is called adjective. It tells us the size, shape, color, numbers, and many other things about a noun. Isn't it so easy? Mary got 6 hairbands from her magical brush. Alright, dear children, think about which word is the adjective in this. We will meet in the next class and we'll see which of you gave the correct answer. For this, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and like the video. Bye-bye.